What is going on, YouTube? It's your guy, Rusty Tides, and I'm back today with some more Hitman World of Assassins. I'm back in Act 2, starting with the cinematic of gifts and curses. Let's hop into it.
The Ark Society. One of Providence's more obscure outfits.
I've heard whispers. A survivalist club for the global elite. Billionaires preparing for a global collapse. And now we know the Constant will attend their next gathering. So where is it?
That's the catch. The report is redacted. No names, no location.
So it's a dead end. I can't track them, not without ICA backup.
Now, I'm no big shot analyst, but it seems to me Janus was the Ark Society's founder, so chances are they'll want to pay their respects in private.
Track the coffin. Worth a shot.
You all right?
It comes back in flashes. Fear, anger, but like it happened to someone else.
Your gift and your curse. What they did to you. Well, I spent a long time feeling guilty about that. Now, I wonder who got the better deal.
Yes, found something.
What are we looking at?
The ass end of nowhere. But this is where Janus's remains were shipped to. Our choice for a final resting place, wouldn't you say?
Not bad. So we stake it out. Await the next gathering. Then we waltz in and kidnap one of the world's most powerful men. Without ICA backup.
Like I said, it's a long shot.
We'll take it.
We'll take it. Alright, we're hopping into Shadows in the Water.
Morning 47. The Ark Society's annual gathering is several weeks away, which should give us ample time to prepare. Meanwhile, Mr. Gray has an off-the-books request. Perhaps you should explain.
Noel Crest. One of my best fixes. Before Romania, I left him in charge of the militia. Told him in no uncertain terms to cease all attacks on Providence, stand by and await further orders. Safe to say he did not. Crest and his men have gone rogue, reinventing themselves as a glorified gang of international thieves. They specialize in ruthless spectacle heists with zero regard to collateral damage.
I've seen the man's file. What did you expect would happen?
It's not like I had much choice, seeing as all my best lieutenants were killed by you two.
Fair point.
Nevertheless, Crest is a rabid dog. He is my responsibility, my stake. I would like your help correcting it.
Current whereabouts?
Ambrose Island, an isolated harbor north from the Strait of Malacca. Coincidentally, one of Wazir Kale's old ports of call. According to my intel, Crest and his men have joined forces with a local pirate syndicate to raid a passing tanker. His goal? A control unit for an Ether Corp satellite being covertly shipped abroad. The satellite is a node in the company's most secure cloud storage network, so they would pay a fortune to preserve its integrity.
What is Crest's endgame?
Extortion, if I had to guess. We don't have the luxury of a full investigation. For us to move against the Constant, we need Providence to think the threat is over and lower their guard. Another militia attack on Ether would raise alarms.
I agree. 47. You'll need to eliminate Crest and destroy that control unit, or lock the militia out. The satellite cannot fall into their hands. We'll need a cover story for ICA. Luckily, Akka, the rapacious leader of the syndicate, already has an active ICA contract on her head. Take her out, and we'll even get our expenses paid.
Well, I never had you pegged as a rebel.
I'm warming to it.
Thank you, both. 47, seeing as I know Crest, I'll provide field support. Meet you out east.
Sorry about getting up. One of these times I'll actually remember to turn on the ceiling fan before I start playing. The silver ballers. Swap you out for the classic lockpick. What outfits we got? I gotta go with the tactical cowboy. And another cutscene. Way too many cutscenes, but here we are. Maybe? Because I know this one came out after. Nope,
Welcome
cutscene.
to the Andaman Sea, 47. We've arrived just in time. It seems Crest didn't disclose the true object of the heist to his partners, so Akka has seized one of the satellite control unit's keycards as collateral until they can renegotiate. The militia have set up camp near the remains of a colonial outpost. Both Crest and the control unit should be nearby. You'll need to destroy the unit itself or render it inoperable by retrieving both keycards. Knowing Crest, he'll have given his to someone he trusts, but Akka is less inclined to delegate. She should be in the pirate base when she's not out among the locals. I provided you with a GPS tracker. Activate it when you're done and I'll initiate extraction. The sooner we finish up here, the better.
Aye, aye, Captain. Eliminate Null, eliminate Akka, deny access to the surveillance satellite, destroy the control unit, or obtain uplink access keys.
Ever since they got back from the raid, the mood's been different. They're not being as chummy with the toy soldiers anymore.
I'll bring a torch. It's dangerous to go alone. Bring this. Pardon me. Optional looks like it's that way, but main looks like it's this way.
There. That's Noel Crest. Formerly one of my most reliable assets.
I know this one.
Yes, sir. Understood. Good.
It seems that Crest is waiting for Akka to call a meeting. Getting them both in one place would certainly save some time. Akka must be using the light to signal for Crest when she wants a meeting. It shouldn't be too difficult to exploit that.
Come on, let me in here.
You don't find this around here a lot because I find it very old. And our friend suggested you would be in a good position to take it. Oh, it's not all. You've been no
Okay.
We do got some legal boundaries, but we reward our
Alright, come on, let me in. Let me at him.
Sure. You can think about it. Don't take too long. Fill up your own.
Looks like a bit of friendly competition between the militia and the locals. I wonder what
Ready
Crest
up.
would think of a newcomer besting his people.
Wind up. Oh, mash. It's a mash button event.
Hi.
Oh boy, do I.
I need
I don't want to block. Blocking's against the rules. Wind up.
interesting
power.
setup you have.
Look at that guy. Thinks he's a champion just because he got the better of one noodle arm lightweight. He wouldn't stand
Alright, who's
a chance
next?
against one of us. Hey,
Who's next? Come on,
why
bring
don't
it
you
on.
Show him what real competition looks like, man.
You don't look so tough.
Oh, I am. Now that I know what button to mash.
Oh.
Goodbye.
And he's out of here.
Truly delightful.
It's the slight screen shake
I don't think
when
we
the
can
slap
do that,
happens.
Can we? Go show him how it's really done.
Yeah, show me how to take it.
I'll smack that blank look right off your damn face.
No, you won't. If you can make my cowboy hat jump, you'll be the winner. But I get to go first.
All right. I guess I'm gonna have to be the one who puts a shit heel in his place.
Told you so.
Yeah, all right, big shot. Let's do this.
Come on, bring it on. Prepare yourself. That beard isn't going to save you now.
Thank you so much.
Screen shake. Nighty night. Who's next?
Holy shit. Ah, what the hell? Did he freeze his hand or something?
It's fish oil. You freeze your hand in fish oil.
Pickup truck.
Anyone else?
Oh, I really appreciate it.
You again? Good night.
Oh, what an embarrassment.
Sir, he
Precision.
just
What a win.
he doesn't even flinch.
Anyone
And when he hits you,
scared, are you?
I thought that shit about seeing stars was just in
Gotta be kidding
cartoons.
me.
He? He who? Which one?
The bald guy.
I see.
Bring it on.
Hey, you, come here.
Cheers.
Hold on. I got one more guy I got to take out. I know I don't have to keep slapping him, but it sure is funny.
Oh, Mexican standoff. Bitch gal, bitch gal. You the one who schooled my people?
I guess so.
Well, I want to talk to you about something. In private. Nothing sinister. There's no hard feelings here. I just have an offer for you. Come and hear me out. That's all I
Got an
ask.
offer you can't refuse. Are you good? Maybe we should call the hospital. That sound he was making is not a good sound. You bring me this news on the night of my daughter's wedding.
Not the prettiest corner of the island, but we should be out of earshot.
That's a big washing machine.
I've been planning some operations. Heists, if you want to be Hollywood about it. Certain prominent individuals, government facilities, big targets. But that means big payouts. I'm looking for someone who can take a little punishment. Someone who could be an inside man but won't buckle under intense interrogation if he's caught. I'd do it myself, but my time and expertise would be better spent covering our tracks. And you've shown me that my guys aren't up for the job either. I need someone I can depend on.
I can hold my own.
I know we only just met, but you have this quality to you. I can't really pin it down. It's familiar but alien at the same time, and your face. Don't take this the wrong way, but it feels like if I looked away for a minute, I'd completely forget every feature. You might be my missing piece here. I
Can
don't
your
need or
employees
want a
forget about me?
decision right now. This is a life-changing choice. It could be the start of some big things for you, but there would be no backing out. I don't need any more disappointments. Make sure this is what you really want. I'll be here for a few more days at least, so no rush.
I'll think about it.
Where's the dotted line? Hey, are you gonna put that out? Only you can prevent forest fires. So what do I do with that information? What is that sound? Don't look at me. Remember what I was saying about save constantly and how I always forget? Oh, would you look at that? I forgot. Weird. This seems a bit more private. What's in here? Can you stop peeping on your neighbors? What are you guys watching? Hello?
Do I feel special?
I'll pick up the newspaper.
Sir?
Yeah? Can you stop groaning so deeply in my ear, please?
You good?
Thank you. Am I allowed it?
I'm afraid you don't have the right clearance. Sorry.
It's okay. I understand. What you working on here? What is this? What are you oxyacetylene? Where's your safety glasses? Come on, dude. Yoink. Yoink. How many swivelly heads do you need?
Don't you feel like this isn't really...
Let's save over this one.
Your life at all? That we should still act like our ancestors and continue the Mukkan ways?
Alright, what's over here? Block hole of the sandcastle. Oh, can I hide my gun if I'm going through an area that I'm gonna get searched in? What's up here? Is this the way I came in? I think so. Let's pull up the map. Oh my goodness. This map is huge. Alright, what are you doing down there? What's down there? What's this? What are you prompting me? A crab hole? That doesn't sound right. Okay, what are you doing over here, sir?
Sounds like G.I. Jerk is getting very anxious about how repairs are progressing on his boat.
I'm sure he is, but he's gonna have to wait.
Is it that bad? It looked like mostly surface damage to me. Maybe some loose connectors.
Look, everything that could go wrong today already has. We are so backed up.
I see that crowbar and I want it.
Scratch paint and it would still be at the bottom of my list.
We probably shouldn't tell him that.
No, of course not. The weight won't get him at the tower. I found some imported cigarettes in the boat. Good ones too. White Tiger. I used to get my dad a pack here.
How's it going?
White tigers. I wouldn't have thought those militia guys would be smoking those.
They wouldn't touch anything without a filter. Now that I think about it,
That's trespassing.
only person I ever see around here with white tigers is Lance Shu.
Oh sure, he's always got a pack, does he?
I found one of
Okay, how do I get one of their uniforms? What's in here? You good, bro? Like, that kind of looks comfortable, but laying on the stairs does not look comfortable. Are you a maintenance guy? You got a uniform in here? No. Where can I dump them if I were to take one? Alright, that looks like a dump spot there. That's probably a dump spot. That one's risky. Where you going? I just don't know if I throw something, if it's going to pull one of the mechanics or pull one of the guards.